Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share a tutorial with you on how to jailbreak iOS 16.5. That's right, iOS 16.5 jailbreak is already available. In this easy-to-follow guide, I'll show you the steps to jailbreak your iOS device in under 5 minutes. But first, let's quickly check my iOS version. As you can see, I'm currently running iOS 16.5. So let's get straight to the tutorial. To get started, there are a few adjustments we need to make in your iPhone settings to ensure a smooth installation. Don't worry, it's an easy process, and I'll guide you through each step. Begin by going to the General tab in your iPhone settings. Here, we want to ensure that the Background App Refresh option is enabled. This feature allows apps to refresh their content in the background, ensuring that you have the latest updates and a smooth experience. Make sure it's toggled on and choose whether you prefer it to work on Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Moving on, let's head to the battery settings. It's crucial to verify that your iPhone is not in low power mode as it can impact app performance. If it's enabled, simply toggle it off to ensure your device is ready for the jailbreak. Now, on to the final step before we proceed to the exciting part. Open the App Store and check if automatic downloads is enabled. This setting ensures that Cydia will be automatically downloaded. Now that we've covered all the settings, it's time to jailbreak your iPhone. Launch your preferred internet browser on your iPhone. Go to the jblelite.cc. This website specializes in app injection and provides access to modded apps. Once you're on the site, locate the jailbreak button and tap on it. When the next page loads, click jailbreak again and confirm that you are sure. Please be patient as the injection process may take a few minutes to complete. Trust me, the wait will be worth it. After the injection process is successfully completed, you'll have the Cydia installed on your iPhone, ready to explore and enjoy a wide range of apps and games. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out,